Hi everyone, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to have you guys here. Today I am going to be making two recipes that have gone viral on TikTok. One is the garlic confit, which looks and smells amazing, and then the other one is a brownie recipe from scratch. So I will go ahead and make sure that I include the original creators in the description below so that you guys can go ahead and click on it if you want to see the original recipe. But I am really excited to share these with you. Also, if you haven't had a chance to see any of my vlog videos, there's only a few of them since the channel is relatively new, go ahead and click on over. I'm going to go ahead and include that in the description as well. But oh my gosh, I am having so much fun. It's just kind of just being a part of my little world here. So anyway, if you guys want to go ahead and click on over there, make sure that you subscribe so that when that next video comes out, you'll be able to, you'll be notified. But do the same here. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell because there are more videos that are actually in production. It's just a matter of making sure everything gets edited. So anyway, you guys, without further ado, let's get to these recipes. Let's get started. Here we have our garlic. We've got the extra virgin olive oil, we've got rosemary, and we've got our thyme. So let's go ahead and get these cleaned up, which I've already started to do. You can see that right here. So I've peeled them, and this is what they look like. And the only other thing I want to do with the garlic is just go ahead and cut off the little root of them. So I've started to do that with these, nice and clean. And let's just go ahead and keep this going. Already done that one. Okay, so this is the last of them. All right, so our garlic is completely clean. It looks really nice. So let's go ahead and put those in our dish. Okay, so here's our garlic. And you can use more, depends on how much you want to make. But like I said, I'm using 2. And then we're going to go ahead and pour in, missed one, our olive oil. Just until it covers the garlic. I'm going to touch that now. There you go. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add our thyme. And we're going to go ahead and add some rosemary. Now you can use fresh rosemary. I happen to have the dried rosemary. Okay, it is that simple. Look at this, it's beautiful. So let's go ahead and put this in the oven and we'll put it at 200 degrees for 3 hours. Let's go ahead and set our timer and start. So next, let's get our tomato mixture ready. So I've got these beautiful, tiny little tomatoes. So let's go ahead and cut these up. Okay, so here is our beautiful tomato mixture. Let's go ahead and put this in a little bowl. Okay, so here are tomatoes. He does use fresh basil, but I had some fresh organic basil and I went ahead and dried it, so I'm going to crumble those up and put those in there. That looks pretty. All right, we're going to add some salt and some pepper. Okay, and just a little bit of olive oil. Mix that up. Okay, so let's just wait for our garlic. Doesn't that look absolutely beautiful? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in the fridge, let it cool off while the garlic is cooking. Okay, so as you can tell, I pulled out the garlic from the oven and it is beautiful. It smells amazing. So let's go ahead and pour this into our jar and put this in for storage. Now remember to keep the oil because your oil has now been seasoned. So it's perfect for cooking like chicken or pork because it's got the rosemary and the thyme. Let me get that out of there. Super excited to try this. Get these out of the way. Oh my gosh, it spreads like butter. And a little bit of cheese. And there you have it. So good. Okay, so here we go. The garlic, like I said, just spread like butter and it smells amazing. So I'm really excited to try this. Oh my gosh, this is so good. So good. And it's very refreshing. This would be a perfect snack or even appetizer for summer. This is great. You guys have got to try this. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with our brownies. So we've got our sugar, brown sugar. So now we're adding our butter. And oil. Okay, so let's go ahead and whisk this together. So I've gone ahead and mixed all this together. Let's go ahead and add our eggs. And vanilla. Let's whisk that again before we add our dry ingredients. This is ready. Let's go ahead and sift our dry ingredients. So we're gonna go ahead and sift the flour. And the cocoa. Okay, so here we go. Let's go ahead and, oops. So I have used up my whisk broke. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a smaller one and get all this well mixed. Okay, so the pan I had originally intended to use was too big. So I went ahead and transferred everything over to this smaller dish. And as you can tell there, now all we need to do is just add some chocolate to the top and throw these in the oven. Got a little crack there, but works. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the brownie. I can tell you this, the texture is very nice and it's not gooey. It's got, I don't want to say cake, it's not cake, but it's not gooey at all. So, this is actually very good. It's not too sweet. Like I said, it's not gooey, even with the extra chocolate chips in there. It's got a great texture. Oh, it's very, very good. You guys have got to try this. It's a very good. Anyway, of the two recipes, if I had to choose anything, and I think it has a lot to do with it being hot right now, I would eat this all day long. It is so good. The garlic just spreads like butter. It's amazing. The tomato mixture that was in the recipe is so good. Definitely use the olive oil from the garlic, and it gives it just a wonderful flavor. Anyway, I do want to say, first of all, I almost forgot, I want to say a great big thank you to you all of my new subscribers. Just recently, it seemed like I was looking at some of the analytics, and then I'm like, oh my gosh, I went from 100 to like 103, 110, 115, now I'm at 124. So thank you all so much for watching my videos. It means the world to me. It's very exciting and a lot of fun to do all of this. So again, thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys loved it just as much as I love making these for you. And again, make sure that you like and subscribe. Definitely hit that notification bell. That way when the next video comes out, you'll be notified. Again, I will see you guys next time. Thank you all for watching, and as always, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Love you all. Until next time.